Hi fashionista! Here is a step-by-step process of drawing a fashion figure sketch. Stick to the end to learn some tips and tricks. Start off by using the ruler to sketch the model figure. Draw a straight line and then draw 9 vertical lines to easily draw the figure. Again, draw another line under the second line. Add another drawing layer to draw the face. Using the circle shape, draw the face. Using the symmetrical tool, start drawing the figure easily. Start with the neck and ear. Now to the body, as shown in the video, draw lines using the ruler. With drawing desk tools, you can mark the perfect measurements. Now using another drawing layer, mark the measurements. Then join the points using the lines. Now draw the figure body as shown in the video. Then add a few circles in the 4th and 5th lines. After that, another circle in the 6th and 8th line. Then draw the legs for the figure as shown. Then draw the hand for the figure. After finishing the body, draw the face elements like hair for the figure. Using the eraser tool, then erase the unwanted areas. That's it. Your fashion figure sketch is ready now. Stay tuned to our next fashion figure illustration video. Try it now for free in Drawing Desk.